Hi there, it's Driveway DIY. Just been doing some work on the car outside, and I just thought I'd take you through my ramp setup and what I've got and how I use them. I mean, to be honest, they're nothing special. I think they're just two-ton ramps with an add-on for easy gradient access. Basically, I got given these from a next door neighbour who didn't want them anymore, and I thought I've never really used them in the past, so I thought now I've got them. I tried to use them in the beginning, couldn't use them because my car was too low, so I looked out there on the internet and I found that there's plenty of accessories and things like that for them. So I've got an add-on there, which is the blue frame there, and that allows me to use anything that's low profile to actually go onto the ramp safely without smashing the bumper and causing a right mess. So these are what I've got. Don't know who made them, but there's plenty out there. Sealy make them, Clark make them, Halfords make them. There's plenty of places where you can get these from, but make sure you get a good quality set. These look like these are from like 60s or whatever, and really look well made. There's no sign of any like fatigue on them or anything. Obviously the paint's been chipped, but they've been used quite a lot. And I've got these add-ons as well. This is how I've set it up. So to actually use them safely, make sure that they're on level ground, make sure they're safe. I always did give them a pre-check before using them to make sure there's nothing that broke them or whatever. Make sure what you buy for them is as good quality as what you've got, and basically this is pretty much my setup. So I've got them set up into my wheel so I don't have to do too much driving on them. The problem I've got, I'm here on my own and I've got no one to guide me on them, and you know what, using them, I've always felt a little bit, I'd rather jack the car up and get underneath, but when I'm doing exhaust jobs and things like that, I'd rather have them on a ramp rather than when I'm smashing away at whatever I'm doing, so they're on more of a stable ground. So I'm just going to show you how to drive the car up them nice and safely when you're on your own. So when I'm working on my own, what I'm going to do, I've got a mirror, just got a normal bathroom mirror, so when I'm actually looking out the window I can actually see how far to drive up to and how far, so I'm not going to go straight, either not enough or too far, so I end up going over the top and causing a load of damage on my car. So just going to show you in action. So that's me on there, no problems, both sides looks pretty good, no issues. Obviously when you're working underneath the car, you put the car in gear, put chocks at the back, make sure it's nice and safe. Perhaps even put axle stands underneath as well just to make sure it's okay. But this is what I've done, and you know, did it on my own, no problem, no issues. Same when you go off, just make sure your safety is took care of, and this is how you drive safely on your own using ramps on your driveway. So hopefully this helps you. This is just a guideline really for what I do. Obviously if you've got any issues, just put them in the comments mark, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. This is just DIY stuff, this is what I do. I've been doing it a long time, never had an issue, never had a problem, so you know, get involved, do it. Thank you for watching.